I have purchased this SSD and it stopped working after few months. Now I got replacement of this SSD and now I want to clone my system. Yes, you are listening right. Over there the system is that, and I want to copy that, and that's Windows operating system softwares and everything. I want to clone that SSD. What we can do, first of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. And many people don't want that their system stops working due to SSD failure, so they keep copy of that operating system and all the softwares in another SSD. So I am doing that too, because that system is running on the WD SSD, and now I have this XPG SSD and I want to copy that one into this SSD. Let's know how we can copy any operating system into any other SSD. First of all, you require a enclosure like this, and you have to insert SSD into it, and you have to attach this with your system. For this you required a software called this Disk Genius, and now you can copy, learn how we can do so. Go to OS migration, choose the free space. Now you can check out, we have a 1 TB hard disk that is totally free, that is almost 954 GB space, that is 1 TB SSD. We have to choose that and press OK. Now how much C space you want, that is in my scenario it's 2.299 GB. The same partition will be automatically followed if you don't want to increase it from over here. If you want to increase and decrease, you can do it yourself. Now click on start. Okay, hot migration. It will take a little bit of time. Now that's the way how you can clone into your another SSD your system. Now if you want to use this SSD as a operating system SSD, you have to insert this into the SSD port after removing old one, and after that you will see that it will start working as a your main primary SSD. So that's the process how you can clone a system into your another SSD or hard disk. If you want to know more, don't forget to comment below, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.